Hi, today a quick look at this because sadly I cannot take it apart. Sometimes it happens because it is completely sealed and in very good condition, so I do not want to damage it. So it was very cheap on eBay, just €3. One fuel quantity indicator, and this one is made by Honeywell, and Honeywell is a very good quality equipment company. Check my Windshare computer teardown here on the corner from Honeywell. So this one is sealed. I cannot open it. It is called indicator fuel quantity, serial number U-15. So pretty low serial number it seems. Model with a lot of digits here. Date code of June 1979, and actually written in French, so it must be from a French aircraft. And it looks like it is not again the galvanometer, it is some kind of servo control motor, because the needle will not move at all when I shake the instrument. On the back we have the connector with one coax conductor and quite a lot of contacts, so obviously it is not a dump, just a galvanometer or something instrument. Seems we have some kind of electronics inside, and in particular here with two what seems to be potentiometers or adjustments of some kind. Yes. And as you can see, there is no way to open the case. Actually, it is welded or soldered here with a ribbon of metal and solder here. And also it looks like they did do the vacuum inside, because there is this little pipe here which is plugged with solder. So this instrument is under vacuum. What is the purpose of it? Not really sure. I guess the main advantage is to avoid any moisture inside the glass by big temperature variations in a cockpit. It can happen. No backlight built in. Little Honeywell logo here at the bottom, and sadly it will be all for this, because to open it I should need to pull this thing here and do a lot of damage, so it will go straight in my collection with no teardown. Sorry for this. So thanks for watching, bye bye.